Exactly, not exactly, but to make it nice and pretty.
Right?
Yep.
Pretty simple, right?
It's getting there.
Right.
Kind of know that what I'm looking for. So it looks like all those. What do you think?
Yeah, honey, you just make sure everything's filled and cleaned up. You still have some joints that need to be
Like a where?
filled. Fill up all your joints. Okay, we're all grouted up. We smeared it. How was that for you, honey?
It was a little challenging at first because I didn't really know what I was looking for. But then after you showed me like the smear to make sure that
What's that? I
showed me.
And I'll show you too on all my videos. Hit the link below, hit the notification. You don't want to miss out on these videos that help you how to tile. And I got other videos, just look on my website. So.
You know what I like the best though?
What?
That burrito.
The owner fed us, the owner ate. So we're about ready to wash. We checked it out. When did we start washing, hon?
After it's dry?
To what kind of touch? How is the grout?
Dry.
To like an apple?
Oh yeah, but I didn't get that
Feel
analogy.
it. Feel it.
An
You
apple
can still push it in, right? Feel
You
it?
can't.
Now feel the grout. Right?
Uh-huh.
You still push it in a little bit. That's when you know your grout is ready, like an apple. Now if it's harder than that, you're gonna have trouble, but I know what we're doing, so I can wait. But a newbie, I would not grout out, I would
I
just
didn't
grout
get
out a
that apple.
section. Now you get it, right?
Yeah, I get it.
So, use an apple.
I would have used another analogy.
The apple test. So now we're gonna walk. Right. Second motions.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now dip your sponge in the bucket. Rinse it out. Dip it in there a couple times. Really get it clean. Okay, now do the drag, flip drag.
Drag. Flip.
Diagonally.
What?
Diagonally across
What is
the
that?
top. Diagonal.
Down.
Diagonal.
Diagonal.
There you go.
But I just said down.
No, diagonal. Hold on, gang. When you go diagonal, diagonal. See? Diagonal. Diagonal. Drag, flip, drag, rinse. Another beautiful tile job, grouted up. And my wife did an awesome job her first time out. And if you watch my videos on my YouTube channel, you too can grout as easily as she did and have jobs come out this sweet. Thanks for watching.